Hello everyone, here is Neetu Singh, Assistant Professor of Indraprastha Law College. So in this lecture we are going to study about the role of international institutions in intellectual property rights and especially about WIPO, that is the full form of WIPO is World Intellectual Property Organization. So let's start. Basically, intellectual property has a dual nature and it has both national and international dimensions. Obviously, while international conventions on patents protect minimum rights and provide some measures for enforcement of right by contracted states, and a strong protection for intellectual property right worldwide is really important for the future economic growth and development of all countries. So international IPR treaties in turn are essential to achieving strong intellectual property protection that promotes global economic expansion and the growth of new technologies. So when we are talking about these international institutions or organizations or treaties, so what are the main object of these treaties and conventions? To develop the legal framework first. Secondly, you can say that IP administration is the main objective. Intellectual property administration is the main objective, and enforcement and IP education also, and national IP strategies, and users, creators, inventors and innovators, businesses, public research, you can say protect, exploit and manage their IP assets more efficiently. These are the objective of these institutions and treaties and conventions. So what is the role of UNO in development of IPR? UNO plays a very important role in the development and protection of IPR with the help of the World Intellectual Property Organization, WIPO, which is one of the most significant and important organizations among the 16 organizations working under UNO in different sectors. So this convention lays down some rules that all contracting states must follow, and these are the rules. These rules are about patents, trademarks, trade names, industrial designs, indications of source and unfair competitions. These are the main rules which decides the policies, the strategies exactly. What is exactly the World Intellectual Property Organization, WIPO? The World Intellectual Property Organization is an international organization, as we know, which grants worldwide protection to the rights of creators and owners of intellectual property. It was adopted on July 14, 1967. And WIPO came into establishment under this convention with two main objectives, and these are the objective for the promotion of the protection of intellectual property worldwide and to safeguard administrative cooperation among the intellectual property unions. So when we are talking about India, India became an official member of WIPO on May 1st, 1975. The Paris Convention, the Berne Convention also set up an international bureau to carry out the task of this administration. Exactly in 1893, these two small bureaus came together and formed an international organization known as United International Bureau for the Protection of the Intellectual Property. Based in Bern, Switzerland, with a staff of 7, this small organization was a precedent of the World Intellectual Property Organization of today, a dynamic entity with 185 member states. Number of staff who are around 938 from 95 different countries around the world, and with a mission and a mandate that are constantly flourishing. This international bureau emerged over time to be recognized in 1970 as WIPO. WIPO expanded its role into globalized trade by entering into a cooperation agreement with the World Trade Organization, that is WTO. WIPO administers 25 treaties and carries out a rich and varied program of work through its member state and the secretariat that seeks to. And these are some I just want to tell you that वीपो जहाँ से स्टार्ट हुआ, फ्रॉम द वेरी बिगनिंग इट वॉज अ वेरी स्मॉल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, बट अभी की अगर हम बात करें तो वीपो इतना वास्ट हो चुका है अपने ऑब्जेक्ट के साथ आगे बढ़ते हुए कंटिन्यूटी में. So, to integrate national laws and procedures related to intellectual property to provide an international, these are some, according to the convention held at Stockholm on, I guess, 14th July 1967, the article number 2 of the convention, there are some rights are included in intellectual property rights, and these rights are इंक्लूड किए गए. वो आपके अगेन लिटरेरी, आर्टिस्टिक, साइंटिफिक, परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ परफॉर्मिंग आर्टिस्ट, phonograms, broadcast, invention in all fields of human behavior, means it's an combo of all the intellectual property rights you can say. इसमें सारी ही चीज़ें include हैं. These are patent, trademarks and आपका लिटरेरी पेटेंट्स भी हो गया, ट्रेडमार्क है, सारी चीज़ें इसमें इंक्लूड हैं. तो ये कॉम्बो है अल्टीमेटली. एंड कुछ इंटरनेशनल ट्रीटीज हैं जिसको एडमिनिस्टर किया वीपो ने, एंड देयर आर 24 इंटरनेशनल ट्रीटीज विच आर एडमिनिस्टर्ड बाय वर्ल्ड इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस, जिसमें आपका बर्न, ब्रसेल्स, बुडापेस्ट, लिस्बन, मैड्रिड एंड नैरोबी and Paris Convention, Rome Convention, Washington Treaty, कुल एक साथ इकट्ठे करके देयर आर 24 ट्रीटीज जिसको एडमिनिस्टर किया गया थ्रू World Intellectual Property Organization. So the Secretariat of WIPO is called the International Bureau, which is directed by the Director General of the World Intellectual Property Organization, assisted by 2 or more Deputy Director Generals. So when we are talking about WIPO, what are the main organs of this organization? So there are mainly 3 organs: the General Assembly, the Conference and the Coordination Committee. There are 3 main organs of WIPO. First one, the General Assembly. The General Assembly of the World Intellectual Property Organization consists of the state party. To this convention, the government of each member state is represented at the General Assembly by one delegate. The government pays all the expenses of the delegate. The Assembly appoints the Director General of the World Intellectual Property Organization. The General Assembly adopted the biennial budget of expenses common to the Union. So General Assembly is the first organ. Second one is the conferences. The conference discuss the matter of general interest in the field of intellectual property and may adopt recommendations relating to such matters for the competence and autonomy of the Union. So conference is the second organ, and third organ is the coordination committee. The coordinate committee gives advice to the organs of the Union, the General Assembly and to the conference and the Director General on all administrative, financial and other matters of common interest. And the coordination committee prepares the draft agenda of the General Assembly also. And the coordination committee of the World Intellectual Property Organization consists of the state party to this convention, which are members of the executive committee of the Paris Union or the executive committee to the Bern Union or both. Okay, so these are main 3 organs when we are talking about the World Intellectual Property Organization. There are mainly 3 organs. It means कि WIPO आपका इन 3 organ से बनकर मिलकर के बना है. This is General Assembly और Conference and third one is the Coordination Committee. इन 3 organ से मिलके आपका complete World Intellectual Property Organization अपना काम करता है. So Uh, you also must know about the Director General of WIPO and its membership. So, the World Intellectual Property Organization is represented by its Director General, assisted by two or more Deputy Director Generals. Director General appointed by the General Assembly of WIPO upon the nomination of the Coordinating Assembly of WIPO. He is appointed for a fixed term, not less than 6 years. At present, Mr. Francis Gurry is the Director General of WIPO. He was appointed on this date, and when we are talking about the membership, at present WIPO has 184 countries as member, India being one of them, become the member of the World Intellectual Property Organization, and a state must deposit an instrument of ratification or accession with the Director General of the World Intellectual Property Organization at Geneva. So when we are talking about the yeah when we are talking about the institutions or treaties or conventions, the first name हमारे दिमाग में जो आता है that is World Intellectual Property Organization, क्योंकि इस अकेले के ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ने द 24 आपको यहाँ पर कन्वेंशंस मिल रहे हैं, 24 जिसमें सारे ही आते हैं, ऑलमोस्ट बहुत सारे इसमें कवर अप हो जाते हैं. तो इसलिए वर्ल्ड इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट वन. आगे आपका ट्रिप्स भी इंपॉर्टेंट है, आगे हम अभी आगे नेक्स्ट लेक्चर्स में डिस्कस करेंगे, बट दिस इज द फर्स्ट वन एंड द इम्पॉर्टेंट वन. सो इन दिस लेक्चर we discussed about the role of UNO in development of IPR and World Intellectual Property Organizations. इसकी ट्रीटीज कौन सी हैं, इसके कन्वेंशंस कौन से हैं, एंड द ऑर्गन्स ऑफ वर्ल्ड इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन exactly, and Director General of WIPO and membership. So that's all for this lecture. Will continue in our next lecture with a new topic. Thank you so much.